Good morning all. So let us look at one more problem on finding the asymptote. So we are given the curve x square into x minus y plus ay square equal to 0. So let us first look at asymptotes which are not parallel to the x-axis. So the asymptote will be of the form y equal to mx plus c. So we need to find the value of m and c. So here we are given an equation which is of third degree. So as we know, m will be given by limit. So if the asymptote is of the form y equal to mx plus c, then m is given by limit x tends to infinity y by x by the condition of asymptote, and c will be equal to limit x tends to infinity y minus mx. So this is the value of m and c which we have to find out. Okay, so let us divide the equation by x cube, so that will bring y by x into the equation. Okay, so x cube വെച്ച് divide ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ first term 1 ആവും, then second term you will get y by x, and in the third term you will get a by x into y by x whole square. So as x tends to infinity, limit x tends to infinity, y by x will be m. The m substitute here, so you'll get 1 minus m. Now this is m square, but limit x tends to infinity, a by x is 0. So ഈ ടേമിൻ്റെ ലിമിറ്റ് 0 ആവും. So we'll get 1 minus m equal to 0. So that gives m equal to 1. So therefore the value of m is equal to 1. ഇനി നമുക്ക് mൻ്റെ value substitute ചെയ്യാം. So when m is equal to 1, y minus mx will become, so when m is 1, we'll get y minus mx becomes y minus x. So let us take this equal to p. So c will be limit x tends to infinity p. Limit x tends to infinity p എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് c വരും. Now let us substitute, replace y by p plus x in our equation. Okay, so first equation le substitute ചെയ്യാം y equal to p plus x. So that will give x square into x minus y will become x minus p minus x plus a y square. So that is p plus x whole square. So upon simplifying, we will get minus x square p plus a. The expanding by we will get p square plus 2px plus x square equal to 0. Now divide throughout by x square. So we will get minus p plus a p square by x square plus 2ap by x plus a equal to 0. Now take the limit as x tends to infinity. Now as x tends to infinity, limit of p will be equal to c. So equation that minus c varum, minus c, this limit is 0, then the limit is 0 out. So minus c plus a will be equal to 0. So therefore we will get the value of c equal to a. So we have obtained m is 1 and c is equal to a. So therefore the required equation of the asymptote is y equal to mx plus c. So we'll get x plus a. So that will give x minus y plus a equal to 0. Let's look whether there are any asymptotes which are not parallel to the y-axis. So for this, so such asymptotes will be of the form x equal to my plus d. So we need to find the value of m and d. So ഇവിടെ m എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് limit y tends to infinity x by y വരും, and d will be limit y tends to infinity x minus my. So again let us divide the given equation by y cube. So that gives x cube y cube which divide ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ in the first term x cube by y cube varum minus x square by y square plus a by y equal to 0. Now, as we take limit y tends to infinity, അപ്പോൾ x by limit of x by y എന്ന് പറയുന്ന m ആണ്. First term m cube വരും, second term minus m square plus this term will be 0. So limit of 1 by y as x tends to infinity will be 0. So we are going to get the equation as m cube minus m square equal to 0. So upon solving, we will get, so this will be n square into m minus 1 equal to 0. So we will get m equal to 0 and 1. So we have got the value for m as 0 and 1. ഇനി നമുക്ക് d value കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. So d will be equal to limit y tends to infinity x minus my. So let us put p equal to x minus my. Now let me take the first value of m, which is 0. അപ്പോൾ m equal to 0 ആകുമ്പോൾ p will be equal to x. So limit x tends to infinity, p will be equal to d. So when you substitute p into the equation, x and p which replace here, that will be p cube minus p square y plus ay square equal to 0. So divide by y square. So that is going to give p cube by y square minus p square by y plus a equal to 0. So from this equation, as y approaches to infinity, ഈ രണ്ട് ടേംസും 0 ആവും. So we are not getting any value of d. So therefore there are no new asymptotes for m equal to 0. Now let us look at the case where m is equal to 1. If m equal to 1 ആവുമ്പോൾ, so we will have x equal to, so again take p, so p is x minus y. So therefore substituting for x into the equation, so x in the value p plus y varum. As y tends to infinity, p will approach to d. So substitute the value of x. So we will get p plus y whole square plus x minus y varum, that is p plus y minus y plus ay square equal to 0. So upon simplifying, we will get p into p square plus 2py plus y square plus ay square equal to 0. Now divide throughout by y square. So we will get p cube by y square plus 2p square by y. Okay, when you divide by y here, so p cube by y square plus 2p by y varum plus p plus a equal to 0. Now taking the limit as y tends to infinity, ആദ്യത്തെ രണ്ട് ടേംസിന്റെ ലിമിറ്റ് 0 ആവും. Now as y tends to infinity, you will get d here, so d plus a equal to 0. So therefore the value of d is equal to minus a. So we have m equal to 1 and d equal to minus a. So therefore the asymptote we get is going to be x equal to my plus d. So m ന്റെ value 1 varum, d ന്റെ value minus a. So therefore x will be equal to y minus a. So therefore we will get x minus y plus a equal to 0. So this is same as the first asymptote we got. So therefore there is only one asymptote which is x minus y plus a equal to 0. So this is how we obtain asymptotes of the form y equal to mx plus d or x equal to my plus d. And please solve this problem also in the similar way. So find the asymptote of x cube plus y cube equal to 3a